teach you how to make, and I've never made it before, cottage cheese ice cream. Mark's favorite. And not only that, Mark loves it because it's going to have peanut butter in it. Okay, so I put a banana in here already. I'm putting 2 cups of cottage cheese, Mark's favorite. And then I'm putting a 1/4 cup of peanut butter powder. I've never made this before, so if it stinks, it's not my fault. Well, it is, but okay. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. You can use honey too, or you can use erythritol if you like it, or whatever you like. I like maple syrup. I like the taste of it. And then I have decided I like almond flavoring. You getting all this mess back here, honey? Oh, good. Okay, I'm just going to put a splash in because you don't need much of the almond flavoring. And because I have them on hand and they've been opened, I'm going to put a few, well, maybe I'll put that in afterwards. I'm going to put a few chocolate chips in. But first I'm going to do this, okay? It's been about 30 seconds. I'm just going to scrape down the sides. Okay, so I heard someone say that you should whip it for about 5 minutes, and then somebody said you don't have to whip it that long, which is probably true. You probably don't have to, but I'm going to try it because I want it nice and like almost moussey. Okay, so this is the consistency that it is after, I don't know, a few minutes. I don't know if it's been 5 minutes. It's been a few, right? The reason you saw me add a little bit of maple syrup is because when I tasted it, it tasted a little salty. So I wanted to just cut that a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to add some chocolate chips because I had these open. Because we had cannolis, which are very healthy. Okay, so I've added the chocolate chips and I'm just going to pulse it a couple of times just to get them mixed in there a little bit. Okay, so that's good for that. And then we're going to freeze this and it's going to be like ice cream. And Mark's going to love it. So I filled this up. It looks like this right now. It's really jiggly, but we're going to freeze it for a few hours and then we'll come back when I'm eating it later after dinner.